Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am sharing 12 unique styling ideas for the off-white or ivory skirt. I am including 6 office and 6 casual looks. So let's get started with the first look. I'm wearing this unique lace top. It is a gorgeous top and versatile piece in my wardrobe. It goes really well with almost all the trousers and skirts. This is how gorgeous it looks up close. Now the color of this top is exactly same like that of the skirt. So in order to break this upper half and lower half of my body, I'm wearing this beautiful brown tan colored belt. It helps in dividing the portions and accentuates my waist and adds that polished look. For the choice of shoes, I am wearing similar colored shoes. They are mules and they have got platform heels and they are really comfy. And I decided to carry this tote bag, and now I have this beautiful classy office outfit ready. It gives me sort of quite luxury summer vibes. And the quick tip that I want to share is if you're planning to invest in some skirts, go for neutral colors so that you can pair it up with your existing tops and blouses. It will be easy for you to style it if it is a neutral color. Let's quickly transition the previous office outfit into a casual one. I'm wearing everything same top, skirt, belt. The only thing that I have changed here is accessories. That is my shoes and bag. I'm wearing these really comfy flat fishnet sandals. They are also of off-white color and perfect for summers. I'm throwing on my sunglasses and carrying this kind of mustard plus brick colored clutch bag, and that completes my easy breezy, very simple yet classy summer casual outfit. Before I move on to the next look, let me show you the earrings that I'm wearing in the first and second look. They are gold sort of knot earrings and they are really pretty. Up next, I'm wearing this beautiful teal colored shirt with the skirt. Now, it is a unique piece in my wardrobe because of so many things. It has got this beautiful neckline, silver buttons, 2 pockets on the chest and roll-up sleeves. And of course, it has this gorgeous crystal teal color. This color goes really well with the off-white color of the skirt. Because I wanted all the focus on my shirt, I'm keeping rest of the accessories very simple. I'm wearing this black belt, black pumps and black office bag, and that's pretty much it. Now coming to the intricate details that are very important. If you look at the whole outfit, I'm wearing this lace top underneath. You can also wear tank top or a cami, and this pop of cream color at the neckline looks so gorgeous. It kind of helps in lifting the whole entire look, and this is the perfect classy summer office outfit. Turning the previous office outfit into a casual one is very easy. I'm wearing this shirt as it is without tucking in. Also, this time I'm wearing these navy mules. They are flat and really comfy. I'm carrying this basic black sling bag, and that's pretty much it. I have this cool outfit ready. But the quick tip that I want to share is whether it's your formal or casual wear, I think when you roll up your sleeves, it instantly changes your entire look. I always roll up my sleeves. They look so cool, whether it's your office outfit or a casual outfit. These are the small details which are very important. Also, I wanted to show you another way of styling this same shirt for the casual look, and that is just tying a knot in the front. Take the 2 ends of your shirt, tie a simple knot. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can leave it as it is just to create that cool, sort of effortless, summerish look, and carry your bag, and that's it. These are the 2 casual ways you can style your outfit. By using any sort of shirts with the skirts. This is perfect for college students, or it could also be your travel outfit. It could also be your airport look if you're a frequent flyer. and you can use it for multiple purpose. Same outfit in different ways and utilize your clothes fully. If you are into floral prints, then this is the look for you. This time I'm wearing this beautiful beige based floral printed blouse. It has got a lot of beautiful colors including white and off-white, which makes it go really well with the skirt. Also, I'm using this belt to tie the blouse and skirt together. This belt is a unique belt in my wardrobe and it helps in taking up the whole outfit to another level. For the choice of shoes, I'm keeping it simple. I'm wearing these nude pumps and I decided to carry this tote bag. It ties everything together, and here we have this really pretty yet classy work outfit. Now the quick tip that I want to share, if you are office goer, then you should have some beautiful belts in your wardrobe. I think a belt is an accessory that can lift the entire look easily. So it is must have to invest in some beautiful belts which go with the neutral and other pieces as well. I'm turning my previous work outfit into a festive wear this time, but before that I wanted to show you my beautiful blouse. It has got a lot of colors like red, mustard, shades of brown, muted green, black, and shades of white and off-white colors with this gorgeous taupe base. And that's the reason I decided to wear these beautiful sandals. They are perfect for any kind of festive occasions and they are unique footwear. Now why they are unique is because they have got these ankle ties with floral print all over them. The sandals have base which is brown and they have also platform heels, hence perfect for any festive occasion. Now I'm carrying this beige bag. I wanted to keep my accessories simple because I'm wearing this floral blouse and floral sandals. They go really well with the off-white skirt. Off-white skirt balances out everything. And now we have this beautiful, festive, very pretty and stylish outfit ready. Up next, I'm wearing this striped blouse. It is unique because it has got this beautiful neckline. It has got navy base and grey stripes all over. Also, it has sort of baggy style and long sleeves. The fabric is very soft and breathable. I decided to go for simple accessories. I'm wearing this black belt, black pumps, and carrying my basic black office bag, and that completes the look. Here I have this beautiful office outfit. Now again, it gives me sort of quite luxury vibes. Why? Because the combination of stripes with white or off-white or any sort of neutral color will never go out of style. It is evergreen fashion and a perfect classy work outfit for the summers. This is another way how you can style your white or off-white skirt during summers. Turning the previous look into a casual one is very easy. I'm only changing my shoes and bag. I'm wearing these navy mules. They are flat and really comfy. And this time I wanted to add a little bit of fun by adding these hoop earrings. I'm also wearing these hoop metallic earrings and carrying this black sling bag. This is how gorgeous everything looks put together. I'm wearing the same black belt. And here we have this really stylish outfit which works perfectly for the college students or otherwise. I'm sure all of you have striped t-shirts or blouses in your wardrobe. Pastel colors are perfect during summers. I'm wearing this mint blouse. It has got beads, two vertical lines and two horizontal lines on the front, and it goes really well with this off-white skirt. Also, I decided to wear this white belt because it adds that refined look to the overall outfit. For the choice of shoes, I'm keeping it very simple. I decided to wear these nude pumps, and that is how quick it is to restyle this skirt. And now we have this really fresh and soothing pastel color palette based work outfit ready. If you have something similar in your wardrobe, you can also style it with the white or off-white skirts. Styling the previous work outfit as a casual one is very easy. I got rid of the white belt and this time I have changed my pair of shoes as well. I'm wearing these white ballet flats and that's pretty much it. Now if you want, you can go ahead with beige or off-white bag and that will complete the look. I just wanted to show you how you can restyle it in a casual way. This outfit is perfect for a hangout with friends, for movie, grocery shopping, or any sort of casual activity. The color combination of navy with off-white or white is a classy one. It always works especially for the work outfits, and that is what I have followed here. I'm wearing this navy top and it looks gorgeous put together with this off-white ivory skirt. Now to add little bit of color, I'm going ahead with this brown belt and I decided to wear similar colored shoes as well. Now if you look at the whole outfit, the adding simple accessories like the belt, choice of shoes or bag, that can instantly lift the entire look. This time I am carrying this mustard brown bag and that completes the look. Now the tip that I want to share is you can apply this same color palette or color combination for your office wardrobe. You can go for navy shirts, blouses and off-white, ivory or any neutral colored trousers and add accessories that can enhance your look. And that is how simple it is to restyle pieces. And here we have this beautiful work outfit ready. This outfit is best example of mixture of monochromatic and contrasting colors put together, because I'm wearing this muted navy shrug which is very light and perfect summer layering piece. It goes really well with the navy top and off-white skirt. I'm keeping my brown belt as it is because it cinches in my waist and adds that beautiful shape to the body. If I'm not wearing this belt, it will look like I'm drowning in this shrug, and that's the reason I'm sticking to the belt. For the choice of shoes, I'm wearing these navy mules. They are really comfy and flat. Now I'm carrying this black sling bag and that completes the look. Now this is a very versatile look which you can wear for any kind of casual occasion. It could be your everyday casual look. You can also wear it for any hangout with friends, for movies, for shopping. It could also be a travel outfit where you need some kind of layering. Or if you are into airport looks and you are a frequent flyer, it is a perfect outfit for that purpose as well. Now with all of these outfits, I'm wrapping it here. I think that was it for today. Please do let me know which is your favorite look, and my humble request is to like, share, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm putting a lot of efforts and I really hope you liked watching my video. I'll see you next time.